How to fix YouTube shorts like comment, share icons not showing. Hey everyone! In this quick update, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the missing icons on YouTube shorts, like the like, dislike, comment, share, and even the video title and description buttons that aren't showing up for some users. Alright, let's get started. This issue started appearing after a recent YouTube app update, and it seems to be mainly affecting Android users. But don't worry, YouTube is already aware of the problem and has started rolling out a fix. Here's what you need to do. First, restart your YouTube app. This helps apply the latest update properly and might bring those missing icons back. If that doesn't solve it, check for updates in the Play Store and make sure your YouTube app is running the latest version. The fix might already be included there. Still not working? No stress. YouTube is still pushing the update to more users, so it might just take a little time for your account to be included. But if you need to access those icons right now, here's a quick workaround. Open YouTube in a web browser like Chrome on your phone or computer and sign into your account. From there, you'll be able to use Shorts with all the interface icons visible again. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll either get the fix right away or be ready as soon as YouTube fully rolls it out.